Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about the frameworks in a project management. So basically what is a framework? It is a step-by-step organized approach for a project management. All are repeatable shells of project approach in which the details and process are differing. So the basic definition of a framework would be a skeletal structure designed to support or enclose something, a frame or structure composed of parts of fitted joined together. Why we need framework? It provides a set of scalable best practices for our project, enables standardized project delivery across functions, reduce wasted cycles and needed to analyze, decide and train, set expectations and build trust throughout your organization. It is defined as the standard approach which follows a set of streamlined continuous improvement in the project. Lessons learned from individual projects can enhance overall approach. Documents, templates and tools are easily propagated and adopted across the organization. Coming to the next part, we have project management framework, which is a phase which is defined as project management leverage a series of stage gate approvals for several reasons. The process here are splitted into the following parts. The first step is initiation, the second step is planning, the third one is execution and the fourth one is closure. It ensures executive engagement and approval at key points in project, enables project cancellation earlier and reduce the risk and waste in the project. The project management framework phases are described here. Coming to the first part, it has initiation, identifying the need of customer, investigating the resources required, develop and present the business care supporting the initiative, analyzing the internal external impacts, develop a high level concept of the project goals, key requirements analysis, identify key milestones, measurement of success and assumptions, gain executive approval and move to planning stage. The second phase in project management framework is planning. It is crucial to get a detailed and agreed upon final set of requirements. What we need to do here is develop a web-based service and the project schedule. Duration estimations are crucial as well as work closely with your team. There are number of tools for the project schedule. MS Project for example. Develop the budget for approval. Identify your risk, prioritize them and develop mitigation plans to avoid the risk. Develop and distribute a communication plan which would be benefited for the team to achieve the project in correct time. The third phase of the PMF is develop and executing the project. Develop executing according to the plan, building the code, writing it, analyzing it and checking for errors. Monitor and control. Track and report on the progress. Building relationship with your team and allowing for honest feedback to get the project reports. Manage change. What are the things we need to perform in the project for the progress of the project? Validate quality and readiness. We need to make sure the deliverables meet customer expectations in the executing phase. The final phase of a project management framework is the closure. Complete a project, close out its report, gain final acceptance from the executive team, conduct a survey with your team. Now coming back to the first part, complete a project closeout report, list the requirements which we used, final spend, final date, gain signature of acceptance from customer, gain final acceptance from executive team, host a lessons learned with the stakeholders, conduct a survey with team to receive the feedbacks from your teammates and archive the project artifacts. Let others learn from your experience. Another similar project can leverage your duration, resource plan, etc. Thank you.